In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Logitech G-Hub stuck on loading screen. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and G-Hub tasks and services. So go ahead, disconnect any Logitech gear connected to G-Hub. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. This keyboard shortcut opens Task Manager on Windows. Then end all G-Hub tasks, as you can see. After that, just go ahead to Services, click on the Service tab, it's in the left panel on Windows 11, and after that, just right click the LG Hub Updater service and then click on Stop. After that, reconnect your Logitech gear and open G-Hub, and then disable automatic updates. Run G-Hub as an administrator and then find Logitech G-Hub in the Windows menu. Click on Run as administrator and there you have it. This was a quick and easy process video. As always, thank you for watching.